Hi everyone! Today I'm going to talk about Costco membership. There are 3 memberships available, which is Gold Star, Business, and Executive. Gold Star and Business are paying $60 per year, while Executive is paying $120 per year. But only executive membership offers 2% reward, except gas and food court in Nevada state. The break-even point between regular and executive membership is $3,000. 2% reward of $3,000 is $60, and executive membership fee is $120 minus $60, which is Gold Star and Business membership fee. So if you spend more than $3,000 per year at Costco, you should get an executive membership. For example, I got a reward check that is close to $80. In other words, I'm paying only $40 per year, which is $20 less than regular membership, because 120 minus 80 is 40. I'm paying $40 per year for my Costco membership. How much do you pay? I hope this video helped you to save your money like me. Take care. Bye.